Today I'm gonna show y'all what I use to make my smoothies and the benefits. Well, this right here is like a high protein smoothie. And first I'll start with, I got the protein, high protein. I can put the names out there, whatever. But high protein smoothie, 6 grams a cup, right? And then I got my collagen powder, right? Got my collagen powder. Collagen. Got my raw beauty powder for, energy, metabolism, amongst other things, Right? That's my powders I put in. So I put protein powder. So I put protein powder. I put collagen powder. I gotta pick that up. And I put, raw superfood, green superfood powder, right? So those are my 3 powders I put in, right? Light, small scoops. Then I got my protein clusters, my granola. I got my Greek yogurt. I got my almond milk. I got my, cherry berry and kale. That's for high antioxidants. And I got my strawberries for flavor, right? And I got my kale, right? So we're gonna add all this up. And I'm gonna show you how I do my smoothies. First thing I add is my protein powder, right? I don't like to add too much. I just like to add the amount that it asks me to, right? So I'll put that in there, right? Put that in there. Bop. Next, add my collagen powder. I don't like to put too much of anything in there, so add that. Bang. It's colorless. It's odorless and tasteless, so you don't got no bitter taste with that. Next, I add my raw green superfood, right? Green superfood. This shit smells so good right here. Right? Add that. Bang. Okay. Right? Add that, right? So I got my powders in there. Next, I add, the kale, not that much. A little, about this much. A little more if you want to, get a little green. A little more, right? Boom. I add that. Then I take my, high protein granola. Now sprinkle some of that in there, right? By the way, this is peanut butter flavored granola. Boom, right? I got that in there, right? So right now I got my protein powder, got my collagen powder. Collagen powder is good for nails and your skin. I got my green superfood. Is good for metabolism and just building up that, that energy you need to build throughout the day, right? Boom. Next I got yogurt. Greek yogurt. Not the tastiest yogurt, but Greek yogurt is definitely high in protein. Definitely high in protein. Definitely. So I scoop that, stir it up, because yogurt sits and sets. So I'll take a nice scoop of that. Oh shit. Another little scoop, just for texture. But protein too, is high in protein, man. Greek yogurt is definitely high in protein. It's definitely what is it? 17 grams a serving. 17 grams a serving. Protein powder, right? Boom. Now that we got the yogurt, We got the granola. We got the protein. We got the collagen. We got the green superfood. Now we add the good stuff. You know, cherry berry, man. Add that flavor in there, man. Also, it's beneficial to you. Antioxidants help fight cancerous cells and things of that nature. So, you know, I just take a little scoop of this. Nice little scoop. Just, wow. Oh, I'm making a mess. Wow. Wow. I'd like to add more berries in there and shit. More of the antioxidant stuff. Alright. Out of that, right? Boom. I like to add whole strawberries just to boost the flavor. So I add about two of those, right? Boom. Alright, you push that down. See, I push that down, makes room. Now, we need our liquid. We're gonna put that vanilla flavored almond milk. Splash it, bong. Splash it again, bong. See how we're soaking it up? Splash one time. Bong. That's all you need right there, right? That's all you need. That's all you need, right? So we top this. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. Get that powder from the bottom. Loosen it up. See that? Right. Put that thing on. Light flame first. Take it off. Shake it. Everything to break down. The grains should be grainy, but that should be the best thing for you. Them berries and shit got a lot of grains in it. Shake that shit. Keep shaking. No matter what. The finished product, the texture came out real good, and it's real tasty, man. It tastes so good, man. But yo, comment below your ingredients on what you put in your smoothies. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. You already know it's Digg Leone, it's Silverback, and we out.